Hello students, I am N.K. Jha from APS. How are you? I hope you are safe at home and I am also safe by the grace of God. So in past we have studied grammar. I think you have studied well in grammar section which is taught by me. On the other hand, we have to study literature paper and we will have two textbooks in class 10. The first will be First Flight that is prescribed by NCERT, and the second one will be Footprints Without Feet. These kinds of textbook we have to study. In examination, we get 30% from literature. So it's too important. So I want to give you a piece of advice, and it is must for you. You will have to understand the theme, the summary of the story, and how the author creates this kind of situation and composed a tragic. It's very, very touchable. So today we shall discuss the book First Flight. The topic will be A Letter to God, which is composed by G.L. Fuentes. Composed by G.L. Fuentes. So our book recommended, before you read, we have to understand, we have to concentrate about the facts, and it is essential for all of us. What is the true meaning? What is the real meaning of this sentence according to the chapter A Letter to God, and what it refers to the people of the world. Okay, so some fact we have to know. They say faith can move mountains. They say faith can move mountains, and I want to tell you, in previous class or in the class we have discussed a lot of time. If you have faith, then you can win each and every battle of life. If you have faith, you can move mountains. So I think you should have faith. Create in you. This is very, very positive one. After creating faith in you, you will become too positive. But what should we put our faith in? This is the question this story delicately poses. It means, what should we put our faith in? That means which kind of thought we put our faith. This is the big question. This story refers for that. What should we put our faith in? So we have to discuss about. We shall discuss about faith. Lencho is a farmer who writes a letter to God. Here the topic begins with the life of a farmer. Lencho is a farmer who writes a letter to God. Who writes a letter to God. When his crops are ruined, crops means anaj. Ruined means spoiled. Destroyed, खराब हो गया. Asking for 100 pesos. Pesos is the form of currency. Pesos is the form of currency, just like in India, rupees is the form of currency. So this is the form of currency. Pesos refers for currency. Okay. Does Lencho later reach God? You have to imagine yourself. It is reached or not. Okay? You have to imagine. And does God send him the money? After reading the text, after reading the story, we can better understand the problem solution. Think of what your answer to this question would be. That means सोचो कि तुम्हारा आंसर इस क्वेश्चन का किस तरह का होगा. And guess how the story continues. And you have to guess also. आपको guess भी करना है. How the story continues. कि स्टोरी किस तरह से आगे बढ़ता रहा. Before you begin to read it, that means कि स्टोरी पढ़ने से पहले you have to think about these kinds of question and what will be the proper answer according to your thoughts. you will have to explain that, you will have to think that. Now activity 1. One of the cheapest ways to send money to someone is through the post office, because you know very well this is the story of ancient time, olden time. Okay, so the cheapest way to send money to someone is through the post office on that day, but these days not these days. Why? Because through bank, through ATM, through mobile, you can transfer and you can receive money. But in olden days, one of the cheapest ways to send money to someone is through the post office. Correct? Have you ever sent or received money in this way? You have to imagine yourself. Have you ever received, मतलब कभी पाया है, मिला है, प्राप्त किया है, और सेंट या फिर भेजा है मनी इन दिस वे, मतलब इस तरह से. ओके, here's what you have to do. You, as you read the instructions, discuss with your teacher in class the meaning of these words: counter, counter clerk, appropriate, acknowledgement, counterfile record, and consult a dictionary if necessary. These are the instructions. These are the instructions if necessary. It's very very important. यदि आवश्यक हो तो are there words corresponding to these English words in your language? Are there words corresponding to these English words in your language? Inside number 1 box, inside the post office, go to the counter marked money order. Okay, that means inside the post office. Inside means अंदर के भीतर. ओके, द पोस्ट ऑफिस के अंदर. गो टू द काउंटर मतलब काउंटर पर जाओ. मार्क्ड मनी ऑर्डर, जहाँ पर मनी ऑर्डर को क्या करना है, आपको मार्क किया हुआ है या फिर मार्क कर देना है. ओके, बाय अ मनी ऑर्डर मार्क किया हुआ है, आपको जाना है. ठीक है, बाय अ मनी ऑर्डर फॉर्म बाय पेइंग 50 पैस टू द पर्सन बिहाइंड द काउंटर. जो काउंटर के पीछे बैठा हुआ है, जो लोग पीछे बैठे हुए हैं, उनको आप मनी ऑर्डर के लिए, जो मनी ऑर्डर फॉर्म के लिए 50 पैस दोगे. ओके, और आपको मनी ऑर्डर फॉर्म परचेज करना है. दैट मीन्स हैव टू परचेज अ मनी ऑर्डर फॉर्म बाय पेइंग 50 पैस टू द पर्सन बिहाइंड द काउंटर. काउंटर के पीछे जो लोग बैठे हैं उसको 50 पैसे दे करके और आपको मनी ऑर्डर खरीद लेना है. तीसरा, फिल इन द एप्रोप्रिएट बॉक्सेस इन द फॉर्म. फिल इन द एप्रोप्रिएट बॉक्सेस इन द फॉर्म preferably in block letters. Fill in the appropriate boxes in the form. मतलब appropriate box को सही दिशा में, राइट डायरेक्शन में वो क्या करना है, फिलअप करना है. ओके, preferably in block letters में, preferably in block letters. Clear? Next one, pay the counter clerk the amount of money to be sent along with the charges. Pay the counter clerk the amount of money to be sent along with the charges. अब काउंटर क्लर्क को हमको क्या करना है, अमाउंट ऑफ मनी टू बी सेंट, अमाउंट ऑफ मनी मतलब मनी जो भी हमें भेजने हैं वो देना है अलॉन्ग विद द चार्जेज, मतलब और भेजने के चार्ज जो लगेंगे वो दोनों एक साथ हमें क्या करना है, पे करना है। अंडरस्टैंड। एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल बी टेक बैक द एमओ एक्नॉलेजमेंट काउंटर फाइल फॉर योर रिकॉर्ड। अब जो है सो एमओ मतलब मनी ऑर्डर का एक्नॉलेजमेंट मतलब जानकारी जो है रिकॉर्ड के रूप में हासिल करेंगे। सो दिस इज द पॉइंट एंड दिस इज द मैटर ऑफ सिस्टम ऑफ द सिस्टम ऑफ हाउ टू run and how the post office works. And so these are the steps whenever you will have to fill money order form. Okay, these criteria you will have to maintain. Okay, so number 2, that was the activity number first. Now activity number 2, fill out the money order form given below using the clues that following the form. Okay, and you will have to fill yourself, and whenever you will try to fill it, and I think you will feel a lot of relaxation and you will know how to fill MO form. Okay, this is acknowledgement and have to understand. Okay, this is MO number, this is date, this is sender's name and address, and received rupees how much you have sent. Okay, date and stamp, this is official work as signature of payee, that means one who sends money. Okay, and this will be also according to the criteria, according to the instructions you will have to fill. Okay, so I think no any problem will be raised. Try to do it. Okay, so I want to tell you, you will have to learn word meaning, because the story will be start tomorrow from page number 3, how the farmer creates all kinds of situation and what was his desire, and how this kind of desire will be raised, will be created in his soul, and what is the imagination of the author, writer. All those circumstances, all those things you and we have to understand. After that somebody will be easy, and somebody always refers to the point, and through the point you can describe all the story in good language. So the chapter A Letter to God, page number 3 and page number 4 you have to read, and the word meaning in the text you will have to learn also, because somewhere hard word meaning according to the literature will create a lot of problem to understand the story of A Letter to God. So it's my advice, firstly you will have to write the word meaning, learn the word meaning. After that you will able to understand the meaning of the sentence, the theme of the para by logically. Okay, thanks.